Okay, so we're in a hotel.
We're in Hotel California.
We
Living
can
the
check in
dream.
anytime we like, but we can never leave.
Never leave.
There's a checkout every time you
They
leave.
check in. Or you check out anytime you like. I think that song, which someone will know, but I think that song is about drug abuse.
Like going to a rehab?
I don't know. Maybe just
Wow, he looks.
I could be
Okay,
terribly
so
wrong.
we're right. We didn't ever look at the box.
What's in the box?
Or, I mean, we didn't look in the box last episode.
Another loading screen.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
I want to look in the box. I need to know.
Do you think there's the option to not
Is
look
it
in the
Sean's
box?
head? I mean, I'm sure we could just not look in the box,
But will it? I guess the idea is like, will it ever progress if we don't?
let's not find out.
Okay.
Let's just look at it. Let's have a little peek.
It's probably for the best. This could be a clue.
We're here to save our son, damn it.
Oh, God.
Oh, it's like freaking out.
Oh, James. Okay.
It's not my son's head. It's a
Oh,
gun!
no. Oh, no.
Oh, we kill people. Origami lizard. Or just regular toy lizard, I don't know.
Okay, we've got also, like, some other things in there. There's, like, a recorder or a phone. Okay. 2,
3, 4. Camera, gun.
1. Little bear. Let's not pick up the gun.
I'm scared we'll pick up the gun and, like, shoot ourselves in the head or something.
I don't... Yeah, you never know with these games. I also feel like someone's gonna come up from behind us. Are you prepared to show courage to save your son? Joe's garage and parking lot. Oh my god. Okay, how do we remember that? Joe's garage and parking lot.
4988 Roosevelt Avenue, like. What about the left or right? The other origami. Or that's a memory card. Oh, it's a battery. It's something. It goes in the camera phone.
Yes, what is that? It's just a phone? Oh, I feel like I need...
Help! Dad!
Sean.
Where are you?
That's like not...
Sean's in a grate.
Dude,
I wonder if it'll fill with water as it rains.
How far are you prepared to go to 600? Was it 4899 or 4988?
I think it's 4988. Provides letters. The letters reveal an address.
Dude, what the heck? This is gonna get too intense. This is too intense.
This was too quick.
Too intense 5 me.
Alright, let's go save our son.
We can just okay, so what was the garage like?
So, the place where each origami figure is a trial that we have to go complete to save our son. So we're doing trial number 1 right now. We're going for it.
Okay, I'm not even controlling. I thought I was.
Why get the police involved?
We probably should. Is there an option? Can I just choose to call the police?
It's probably one of those, I mean...
Okay, so I was a little too focused, but I feel like Sean did not sound particularly afraid.
Dad?
Yeah, he's just like, Dad.
Dad, where's my chicken?
Yeah, pretty much. He's like, Dad, I'm scared.
Why are you doing this to me, Dad? Oh, they're gonna find us with the gun and assume we're the origami killer.
He doesn't have anything personal against the victims. That's why he covers their faces with mud, to make them anonymous.
Why does he kill them if he doesn't have anything against them?
For him,
Because some people just are crazy.
Probably why he gives them an origami
Yeah.
figure and an orchid as gifts to apologize for what he's done to them.
What am I doing by hitting? Am I changing the slides?
Yeah.
And where does all that get?
I feel like it's not.
This does not help.
Oh, what? What did he ask?
Yes, where does this get us? Be calm.
A predator is to be familiar with his behavior.
That may be true in novels, but there's a child's life at stake here. Continue, Jaden.
One detail attracted my attention. The interval between the time when a victim disappears and the time when the body is found ranges from 3 to 5 days.
Ooh.
But the rainfall is always at 6 inches, give or take 10%.
What on earth does that mean?
It means he's a heavy rain killer.
The killer kills only in the fall when there is plenty of rain. It could be that he puts them in some sort of well or tank that is open to the skies and that fills up with rainwater. The more it rains,
It's literally what's happening.
the less time.
That's where Sean is, yeah.
Then I studied the geographical distribution of the
Oh,
murder.
that's a scurry.
Generally, the killer commits his first murder near to where he lives, so he has a safe place to flee to if any complications arise. The more confident he becomes,
I can just keep changing the slides.
by analyzing the locations where the victims disappeared, I was able to isolate a zone where the killer might live.
Ooh.
And what size is this,
It's pretty
zone?
big, to be honest.
It's like 17 miles.
For the moment, about 10 square miles.
Oh, great. Must be 10,000
He lives in this city.
Yeah.
I'm sure of it.
He lives in this state.
He might be a U.S. citizen or resident.
The clues we get, the more we can reduce the zone.
Why would we get aggressive?
With our list of suspects and
'Cause
We're professional.
I don't know.
We're hyphy.
We're hyphy.
There are two suspects whose psychological profile might fit and can be connected to the comfort zone. I'd like to question them.
Who are they?
Yeah, it's kind of important.
We're wasting our time with this bullshit. The killer's out there somewhere. We gotta get off our asses and find him.
Suggest we do that, man.
Go for him?
For a
Oh.
The
reason.
killer is no ordinary murderer. He is intelligent, organized, and methodical. You won't find him by patrolling the streets.
Tell me, Agent Jaden, did you get your vast experience?
Agent
on the job,
Jaden.
or did you just fucking read about it in some school book?
I
Calm
came here to
down.
Find a killer. And that is exactly what I'm gonna do. With or without your help.
Fucking asshole! That's enough.
That guy's a dick.
Yeah.
You said it took 6 inches of rainfall before the victim died. How much time do we have left?
Oh, Jesus.
If the weather forecasts are right, less than 72 hours.
Oh, Jesus, James.
Man, that's like 5 days though. We're on the higher end. 'Cause Sean's already been
That's
missing.
not 5 days.
Well, it's already been a couple days since Sean went missing.
Has it? I think that was yesterday.
I don't know.
We're here with our buddy cop, Blake.
Yeah, our best friend. We're BFFs now.
FBI, open up.
FBI, open up.
We waste our time coming here.
Maybe we should have a little look inside anyway.
There's nobody home.
Do it.
Yeah, just break through the door.
Do it.
Blake's the bad cop. We're the good cop.
There is.
Except for Blake's getting it done.
I'm not sure that's entirely legal.
Let's do it, Agent.
What's our name again?
I don't know.
Oh, Jesus. What is going on in there? Do you see that? There's like writing on the wall and like Jesus
This
crucifix.
person's crazy.
Okay. It looks like. Oh, God.
I think we
That's
found
a lot
the
of
killer.
T-posing.
That is a lot of T-posing.
Williams is a pretty religious guy.
T-pose for Jesus.
Jesus Christ. That. Oh, yeah, that's right.
The end of the world. We questioned him a few months back because he was causing a disturbance.
Yeah.
Down.
I'm trying. What am I? I'm
Down.
holding it.
Happen? Yeah.
I had this idea in his sick little head that I was the
Ah, Holy Bible.
to Earth.
Stuff.
Oh, I guess I wonder if it's one of those things where I'm not actually supposed to.
The
Like,
bed.
oh, okay, where do I have to stand to activate you? Okay, nothing there.
It's in the dresser.
Oh, it's a lot of medication. I wonder if he was a little,
A
off.
little
a little
crazy.
off.
Yeah. Also, those candles are a fire hazard.
Just a little bit. They're right next to the bed. Dude, get out of my way. I'm trying to investigate. Oh, okay.
He doesn't know how to use his hands.
He also just didn't. He like stood there and turned. And then just.
So this is the bathroom. Also candlelit.
It seems to be the only form of lighting. Hey, there's some multivitamins. At least he was.
We know he's
Do
vitalized.
I have a time limit here? We only got 72 hours. We gotta find something. All we're seeing is candles and Jesus!
That's all we need.
And,
He doesn't do dishes. Okay.
yeah. Okay, what's the point of looking out that window?
There's a little Sean in the backyard. Is that the front door?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't
What's
want to
that?
leave.
What's that?
I'm looking.
What are all those
I'm
things?
trying. I wonder if those are crucifixes.
It's a full glass of milk and a fork.
I guess it's an open or open. It's a... Dude, I don't know if we're gonna find anything going on.
He's home.
Tackle him to the ground.
What are you doing in my house?
Did we not hear him come in?
Good timing, Nathaniel. Just the man we're looking for.
I have a feeling Nathaniel's not gonna be the...
I don't think he's the origami killer.
Yeah, I feel like it's too easy.
As God is my witness, I haven't done anything. I'm innocent.
Relax.
Okay.
Nobody's accusing
Cool,
you of anything.
cool.
We just want to talk.
Crucifixes?
I know crucifixes. You afraid of something?
He's afraid of the boogeyman.
I just didn't want to start out with the alibi right.
The wrath of God shall strike men down. I'm preparing for the end of the world.
Okay, good to know.
Cool, cool, cool.
Nathaniel, do you remember where you were last Tuesday at 4:30 p.m.?
Here. I was here. I was
Sounds
praying.
about right.
Praying all day, sir.
Are you gonna have... But do you have a witness to back that up?
No. No, I was alone.
I don't think he has many friends. Bad idea.
Where do you work, Nathaniel? You have a job?
My sole occupation is praying to the
Okay,
How's
so
he
where do you
afford
get the
rent?
money?
Yeah.
Also, does the landlord ever just
What
do
about
house
voices,
checks?
Nathaniel? Do you still hear the voices?
Yeah, I don't know.
We know who talks to you, don't we, Nathaniel? Or we both know who talks to you.
This is kinda
Blake gets a
creepy.
little intense.
Yeah.
What does he say to you, Nathaniel?
Do we intervene or do we let him abuse the mentally disabled man?
He orders you to go and find new prey, doesn't he? He needs more and more.
Blake's trying to antagonize this man, and I'm not sure that's what we need to be doing right now.
No.
Yeah, I don't
We
think
gotta
this is
talk about... Are we
productive.
talking about Satan?
Here. He told you to go and find that kid in the park. The voices tormented you all night long. You wanted them to stop.
Well, our
Well,
attempts at
yeah.
intervening are pretty limited here.
No, don't, please.
Yeah.
So you obeyed them to make them stop. You took that boy with you and you drowned him. Isn't that right?
Huh.
Okay, let's stop here.
You killed them, didn't you, Nathaniel? Are you gonna confess?
I didn't mean to. Okay, this
Okay,
is
why are we
beginning to fall
kicking
out.
him? We have no evidence that he did it.
Antichrist.
And now he's got a gun.
Father in hell. He is the son of Satan.
Huh.
He was sent to earth to destroy us. For Christ's sake, shoot!
Do we shoot him or do we not shoot him?
Drop the gun, now! Keep calm. Everything is gonna be fine, Nathaniel.
Team, you shall regret confronting the emissary of the Lord.
Don't
You said
shoot him.
kill him.
You shall know divine power.
Shoot, 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 shoot. I did it.
Ooh.
I shot him.
Well, so we broke into this guy's house just to murder him.
Yep.
It's literally what we just did.
Can't say I'll miss him.
What?
Let's go.
This has got to be super illegal.
Yeah, murder generally is.
No, but like, cops can kill people who are, are actively, they're an active threat, of murder.
Yeah.
But like, we broke into this guy's house. He showed up. My cop friend here just antagonized him until he pulled a gun, and then we shot him. Like, that's got to be the most not correct way to handle that
I don't know if we should
situation.
let the cop guy live, honestly. Maybe we should let him shoot
Dude,
our
do you
cop
think
friend.
he's the origami killer?
The cop?
The cop.
Oh, maybe. But then I don't think it would help us save Sean.
I just think that, like,
Hey, we're this guy again.
yeah. I wonder... Oh, yeah, I forgot that this guy's privately investigating.
He's a PI.
It's like I wanted to try to not shoot him, but I didn't want to push it too far and let that guy die.
Yeah?
But I'm actually honestly starting to think that he might be the killer for some reason. There's just like I've kind of awoken this feeling that guy is the killer for some reason.
He might be. I wouldn't be surprised. Do you think we've already met the killer?
I don't know if I think. We could have.
Yeah.
I think it's that guy.
I think it is this man, and we have met him. Let's go up the stairs.
Oh, I'm trying, but I turned too early.
Knock, knock, knock. Lean to it.
Okay,
There's
we
a
got
baby.
There's a baby. Well, that's good to know.
Please try not killing this person in front of their baby.
Yeah, we're not trying to pull a Kill Bill here.
No answer. Baby screaming inside. Not a promising start.
Let's go for it.
We could try the front door.
No, well, yeah, I guess we can.
Look at him walk down those stairs. Dude, I
Gotta hit.
don't
every
know what to make of anything, and making decisions freaks me out.
That's a
Especially
big part of this game.
Especially when we have a time limit.
I wonder what happens if our friend gets shot.
Aha. I wonder what happened if could we have tried that door from the beginning?
I don't know.
Why did he poke his head through the door and look to the wall? You think you'd
That's
want to
a
look
good
into the
question.
house?
No,
you're
it's
entering.
overrated. There's a note.
I'm not gonna call, because I feel like that's gonna alert them. I just need to look at this note.
Oh, Jesus.
It's too hard, I can't stand it anymore. Take care of my baby. Oh, this is not good. We got a 10-4.
We got a... Yeah.
Mrs. Bowles.
I think
Call?
Anybody home?
we just need to find this lady.
I think we're gonna find her body.
Probably. I'm trying to find the bathroom. Because
I think it's there.
Mrs. Bowles. Mrs. Bowles, are you there?
we like to break doors in this game.
Breaking and entering simulator.
Oh, somebody's
simulator.
Oh, yep. Ooh.
No! She's alive.
Who is this lady?
Mrs. Bowles, can you hear me? Wake up!
Oh.
Wake up!
We can save her.
I'm gonna have to really try to not mess this
Yeah,
one
don't
up.
drop her.
I can never know when the quick time event is over. Last time I thought it was over, I stopped tying his tie.
We can rebuild. We take her outside.
In the bed, maybe? I mean,
Then we take her to the hospital, probably.
oh, okay. But I mean, like, I just didn't know what we had to do to activate that, maybe. I can't get out the door with her.
So maybe the bed?
That's what I thought.
Go to the side of the bed?
I
Other side of
can't
the bed?
seem to...
I don't see how taking her out of the tub stopped her bleeding, though.
I'm gonna call an ambulance.
No, I don't want to go to the hospital. Please.
Wait, is that's not the lady that we found in the...
You got something around here I can dress this wound with?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we met her yet.
Okay.
I could tell if that was the lady we met at the hotel in the beginning. As this guy.
I don't think so.
Wait, where'd he say? Where'd she say?
I don't know.
On the dresser? I don't know. Oh, dude, I don't know what she said.
No.
I don't know how many things are gonna be. The bathroom seems like it would be. I don't. Okay. Let me just wash my hands real quick.
While the lady dies in the other room, I will freshen up.
It seems.
I need this. And this.
I need this and this and this and this.
And away we go.
Look at him hold them. His arms. They're
I
so
brought
long.
you some supplies.
Yeah, just drop them on him.
I'm here for you, Susan. You'll be all right. I'll take care of you. I need more. Still bleeding.
Well, please don't kill her.
I can't promise anything.
This might be someone we need to stay alive.
Susan, do you hear me? Susan, stay with me. Can you hear me? Stay with me. Okay, come on.
Did we do it?
There, I done what I can.
We saved her. Maybe.
Maybe.
Luckily, the wounds aren't too deep.
She should really go to the hospital.
Yeah.
My baby needs me.
Is the baby gonna
I
be
think he-
missing?
I think you need to lay down. That would
So
be
we left the door
really
open.
dumb.
Okay.
She needs medical attention. Somebody has to deal with that wound.
You? With a baby, I mean.
No, but you left the note, so
Nothing I can't do.
this is what she wanted.
Yeah, you said take care of her baby.
Her
Or
name
you said take care of your... Oh my god! Why
Her
can't
name
you?
is Emily.
Hi, Emily. I've come to play.
Would you like to play a game? We gotta wash our hands now.
Oh my god. I washed my hands first.
Oh, the kitchen's where we came in.
Ah. Let me just take the scenic route around the coffee table.
Is this a kitchen?
I'm getting a little bit better at doing those, like, side swipey. And the blood is gone, and I didn't even have to touch the water. I just had to wave my hands in front of it.
Sham wow.
Yeah.
Makes up blood just like that.
Hi there, Emily. So, what seems to be the problem, huh? Oh, going by the smell, I got a pretty good
The woman is in the other room.
Yeah, change the
She
diaper.
just survived a suicide attempt. There needs to be some medical attention here. We're just in the living room with the baby now. But there needs to be some hospital, some doctor.
Yeah. Yeah, we should probably get someone involved. But we're just a private eye, so.
We have no obligation.
Yeah.
Just drop the baby.
Goodbye, baby.
Yeah. What a weird baby model.
Yeah, it looks kind of realistic.
So for these ones, I'm definitely going to have to use 2 hands. Because you have to hold all of them at the same time.
Okay.
Right, Emily?
Yeah,
I'm
probably
just saying,
the
I'm
best way to do it.
speaking that to myself.
Must master the art of two-handing a controller.
Yeah.
Hey,
As opposed to just one hand.
I thought we solved the problem.
The origami killer's right behind you.
Oh god.
Maybe your
Okay.
bottle was in the kitchen?
Maybe. Let me take the scenic route around the table. Oh my god. Wait. James.
Forward. What?
James, there's somebody outside the window. Okay, it's that guy running. Okay. I saw somebody running outside the window and it just freaked me out. Because, like you said, the origami killer can strike at any moment.
He's right behind you. I think it might be
This thing up.
a creep. The bottle warmer.
Oh, I should probably activate that. I thought it was... I'm freaking out, man. I gotta keep an eye on this baby.
Wonder if we should go check on Emily, or the lady.
Yeah. I just want to make sure that you're still doing okay.
You still alive? No? Okay.
Let me just swivel
We'll be
away.
back.
We'll check on you again. We'll just give another 10 minutes. She really needs help. And I don't quite understand why we are not giving it to... Oh my god, the controls are so weird on this
Out
sometimes.
the door we go.
Yeah. My job's done here. But you didn't do anything.
I am not the father.
Yeah.
I got this milk. I'm gonna go watch TV.
This milk and this fork.
The milk is an omen.
Hungry?
Yeah, that seems to be a running theme here.
I'll just tilt this bottle a little bit so you don't choke.
Drink the milk. That was the fastest milk drinking I've ever seen.
Yeah, she downed that.
Didn't even swallow, just straight into the stomach.
Yeah, just an open passageway.
Burp the
I may
baby.
have missed. I'm not quite sure what.
Burp the baby.
Sometimes it's like not explicitly clear
Good job, Emily.
what it wants me to do.
You're
Yeah.
feeling good now, right?
And it's fine with situations like those where it allows me to fail it.
I'm gonna rock you very
But like in the future,
a nice little
I'm just afraid that I'm just gonna die.
Maybe. Drop the baby.
What?
I'm getting.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, okay. What the heck?
We rocked the hell out of there.
I'm not even quite sure why I failed the other one.
Just uncontrollably.
We just throw her out the window.
Oh my god.
That was. How'd I fail
Just
it?
drop her in the...
Oh,
Oh
Okay, you know what? It's fine.
Sorry, kid.
Babysitting simulator.
Why does it look like he doesn't have eyes? I don't want to do that again.
I'm gonna kill the mom just because we have to rock the baby.
Is that? Do you think that's the thing? Like, we're taking too long doing this?
I don't think so. But we stopped her bleeding. Like, what would she die from?
Okay, this time I will not let the child.
Gently.
Did
There
it?
we go. There we go.
Okay. Let's go take care of the person who's dying in
I
the
don't know. We
bedroom.
couldn't stroll the baby into the bedroom.
I don't know. This lady isn't doing too hot.
She's alive though, so that's good.
Thanks for looking after my baby. I didn't want to leave her. I just couldn't.
Cope with what?
What is that line that's moving? Do you see that line right through our body?
I don't right now, no.
Good boy.
Oh, she, one of her kids
I
died.
think it is the lady though. I think it might. I don't know.
I think this is a different lady.
You think so?
Yeah.
Doesn't Jeremy's father live with you anymore?
He disappeared.
No.
The day after Jeremy. I don't know what happened to him.
Man, origami killer's ruining homes.
Dude, this episode's 27 minutes.
Take it.
Let's just get through this lady then.
Yeah.
All on my own and I couldn't do it anymore.
I understand. Did your husband say anything before he disappeared? Did he leave a note or something?
She didn't even ask who we were.
Yeah, this guy showed up.
Saved her life.
He left the house without a word and there was just the cell phone.
That's kind of important.
Yeah.
A little bit.
I found a cell phone in his dresser.
This is our first episode
I'm
that we've
sure
done tonight?
it wasn't
Yeah.
his.
Oh,
I've
jeez.
seen it before.
Oh, the husband got the phone just like we did.
You used to have
Oh, Jesus.
With the clues and stuff.
Yeah.
It's in a drawer.
This might be important then.
Living room. You can have it if you'd like. I'm sure it's of more use to you than to me.
Do you have any family or anybody to help you?
I'm all alone.
My mother. I didn't want to ask her for anything. We don't really get along. But I guess I'm out of options.
Well, look after yourself. And Emma.
We saved her life.
Yeah. She should get some follow-up care here. Like,
Yeah.
both medical and psychiatric.
She doesn't need a second opinion.
Are we just leaving? Oh no, we have to get the phone.
Which we will do next time.
Oh yeah, in the next episode.
Ta-ta!
Ta-ta.